For the stances 4 through 6, we're going to take the first 3 stances we did and we're going to adapt them slightly through the lens of the animal systems of American Bondo. So stance number 4 is the python stance, which is an H stance with driving elbows to either pull out of a grip, trap a grip, or clear a grip for an attack. And let me show you what I mean. So first you're going to step out to your H stance right and get locked in. Then you're going to drive your elbow across, down, and then drive in with the other elbow across, down. Okay? These elbows can trap. If somebody's coming in to grab you, you come up over their arm and trap. Okay? If someone's in front of you, you clear their arms out of the way by driving all the way side to side. The important thing is that this elbow needs to go all the way to that side of your walker and clamp down. And then you can drive this elbow all the way back and clamp down. That's the important thing for the python stance. And 2. And then you're going to do your python stance left. Lock out left, drive the elbow down, drive the elbow down. And as always, once you can let go of the walker, if you can get both hands up, they should follow smoothly. Elbow, elbow. Driving all the way across. And 2. That's stance number 4, python stance. Stance number 5 is a cat stance. You are going to pull your body back into the rear corner of your walker. You're going to put 90% of your weight on one foot, 10% of weight on the front foot. And this is setting up a snapping front kick or a thrusting front kick or a power move with the front leg to protect yourself. So he pulls back, he puts 90% of his weight, 10% of his weight, and this leg is now triggered for defensive knee or kicking or something like that. And then 2, and then you'll do the cat stance left. You'll lock it in, you'll put that foot up and get ready to go. You've got weight bearing here, you've locked in here, you've got balance over here, and if you can let go with this hand, this one comes up and protects you as you kick. Okay? If you need to kick. And that's what the cat stance is for. So stance number 5 is the cat stance. Stance number 6 is a crane stance. Now, in a traditional stance drill, we step forward and we power our leg up into a crane. You're not going to do that here. What you're doing is you're getting your foot out of the way and protecting your groin. So you're driving your knee up while you lock your foot behind, and you're only holding it momentarily. Knee up and back down. Okay? Knee up and back down. And then crane stance left. Knee up and back down. What I want you to do with the crane stance is I want you to work on your balance and dynamic movement. So I want you to drive that knee up, lift your hands off your walker and count to 3. 2. And then do crane stance left. Drive it up. 1, 2, 3. 2. As soon as you can, I want you to work from hands on to hands up for a 3 count. Okay? To help develop our balance in stance number 6. So those are our stances 4, 5, and 6. They are the animal stances. Python, cat, and crane. And you notice they go in the same general stepping pattern as the first 3, H, L, and N. Okay. Now, stance number 4, we've now entered the animal stances. So, python stance right, elbow, elbow, and 2. Python stance left. Got to drive that elbow all the way over. Get it all the way over. That's what I'm looking for. Good. 2. Cat stance right. Lock in and cat. 2. And cat stance left. Good. Now you got to get back into the back of your walker. You're pulling back. You're getting ready to go. You got 90%, 10%. Okay? Don't leave that toe up in the air. Put it down on the ground. 2. Crane stance right. Drive it up and cover. And crane stance left. Get your foot behind your knee. Lock it in. That protects everything. Groin, protects legs, protects your sweep from happening so you don't get knocked down. All right. If you feel confident in this skill set and you know what to do, go to the training videos for practice. If you're still a little unsure about the nuts and bolts or the exact placements or exactly what to do, just watch this video over again. That's the beauty of it. You can do this as many times as you need. And then remember, if you have any questions that the videos don't answer, you can just email us or contact us right through your portal. Thank you.